G'day, welcome to another episode of Larrikin Japan. Today we're having a look at the new Suzuki Every. This is my mate's car. He got it about a month ago. Now, these things are really popular with courier companies. They have a lot of these. They use them for delivering parcels like Amazon and that. Also places like electricians and that, they sort of run them. So these are really popular. So they use the base model. This one is the middle one, and then there's one up above it. So they're pretty nice. It's got little mag wheels on it. How big are the tyres? 14 inch. So I've got little mags on it, disc brakes on the front, drums on the rear. Here's your petrol under here. You fill it up there. So these are really nice. This has got all tinted windows and everything in it. So pretty nice little wagon. So these are good like for families and that, just running around town. Pretty good. So she's a little Suzuki Every. Now this has, you got LED lights at the front, little driving lights down here. Here you got your radiator here and your for your aircon and that. And here we've got the intercooler. This is turbocharged. So these run a 660cc engine, but this one's turboed and it's also four-wheel drive. So we'll just have a bit of a look in here. So we'll just have a look under the bonnet. Like all for your air conditioner, your washer bottle, your bottle for the radiator, your brake and that sort of. Righto, now we'll get a bit of a look inside. So got all power windows, everything. So it's quite nice inside. We've got our door trim, door cards and everything. So here, he's got all these paddings he got from Luck 10, which is like Amazon, and floor mats. He got them all from there, much cheaper than getting them from Suzuki. So these are all just padding, so save it getting kicked around and knocked around. Now the engines are under the seats, so I'm not going to pull up and get into the engine. It's a bit, with all the padding, it's a bit difficult to get in there. So the engine's under the seat, so you get under there. So it's a 660cc turboed. Now this, he said this is gets about 13-14 kilometers to a litre. So it's not that fantastic on fuel, but yeah, there you go. So if you just got the non-turbo two-wheel drive, you're probably going to get a little bit better fuel consumption. So they have like, let's see if we can get into. There we go, she all starts up like that. Here you got your thing. This has Apple CarPlay and everything like that. So it all pops up. And there you go. So it all runs like that. So this is like the middle one. So here you've got all your controls for your stereo and that. Here you got your controls for like four-wheel drive, parking assist, open your door, left-hand door and that. So it's all automatic. Here you got your aircon and that sort of thing down here for your air conditioner. Here you got USB plugs and that. So it's all pretty nice. Now up here, these have a parcel shelf, so you can put tissues and different things up top. So it's really quite handy. So now the top of the range one probably has cruise control and all that sort of stuff, but you know, like, I don't know if you really need cruise control. You're mainly going to be running around town in it. So it's all power mirrors and everything like that. So in the back here, you know, it's got quite a bit of room. Here you have your jack, place for your jack down here. So yeah, you can see there the parcel tray up top. A lot of headroom in these, very high. So nice little seats. So got armrest and everything. Now these are, all your Ks are four-seaters. Just have 4 seats. You can't have 5 people in a K. They're only four-seater cars. So that's in the back. He's got a little baby, so they got the car seat in there for her. But very nice. You got little things down here. Yeah, really nice in the back. And all auto doors, they just automatically open and shut. In the back here, now where these are a lot better than like your end boxes and that, these are quite roomy in the back. You've got a lot of room here. You can put a lot of stuff with the seats. And here you got some parcel shelves. You can put different things in here. You've got an auxiliary over here like a cigarette lighter. You can run a fridge and different things if you go away. But your seats all fold down and push forward, so it gives you even more room in the back. But it's quite nice with all the thing. He's got all the protection on it. So this cost him about 2.4 million. So that's about 24,000 Australian. American, I'm not sure. You know, the yen and the dollar are pretty weak at the moment. So, yeah. But that's it. That's the little Suzuki Every. So nice little car just for running around town. Pretty economical. And yeah, let me know in the comments what you think of it. So little Suzuki Turbo. Anyway, that's it for this episode. I hope you enjoyed it. Till next time, catch you later.